Hey, man.
Watch out!
Woodpecker.
It's a woodpecker from space! I didn't know the reason why. The dark outside, but yet a light, and I heard a funny cry. I was jumping out of bed and put my head against the door. This time I was okay, I heard a funny cry once more. It was a funny-looking bird, and he said right before my eyes, with his waist, you and a laser gun.